Picture this. The sun dips low over the Niger River, casting golden ripples on Onitsha's ancient banks, while distant drums throb like a heartbeat awakening from slumber. You've heard the news. Ofala Festival preps have kicked off in Anambra, with traditional rituals lightening up the kingdom. What if you're like me, someone who's caught the whispers of Igbo crown jewel before? Let's make it fresh. What if this year's Njiko and Ntachi theme, unity and perseverance, isn't just words, but a defiant pulse against our chaotic times? From young feasts to royal seclusions, Afala isn't a dusty relic. It is Onitsha's soul on fire. Imagine October 17 to 18. Stick with me. We are not just recapping. We are uncovering the hidden rhythm that makes this prep phase the real thrill. Ofala, born in the 16th century when Benin migrants planted monarchy on these river shores, is more than a party. It's the Obi's grand unveiling after a sacred retreat, a week of spiritual sweat where Igwe Nemeka Achebe Agbogidi communes with ancestors for the kingdom's fortune. Think New Yam Festival vibes meet royal renewal. The monarch blesses his people, prays for bountiful harvests, and the city erupts in homage. But 2025's preps, we are electric, starting with Owuwaji Yam Feast. That earthy aroma of roasted tubers signaling Thanksgiving, followed by Inye Ukwu Nailo, there will be seclusion, and Ogbalido Atonement Feast. It's the build-up that hooks. Youth carnivals on October 15. Oreze art exhibitions bursting with African sculptures, and medical outreaches healing body and spirit. Now, the captivating layer for you, the repeat listeners. 2025 preps aren't echoing old echoes. They are remixing them with global flair. Sponsors like Glo, Zenith Bank, and international breweries are pouring millions into pavilions and streams, projecting Ofala onto UNESCO's radar for intangible heritage status. Imagine October 7th lecture series on cultural tourism, morphing into youth carnivals, fusing Afrobeat with ancestral steps, and art shows where Nigerian painters clash canvases with African diasporal dreams. This unity and perseverance theme, it is Achebe's nod to Igbo resilience amidst floods and pools. A subtle rally cry as November 8th election simmer. Preps kicked off with ceremonies on October 10, blending Owuwaji's Yam Joy with modern health drives, drawing over 50,000 eyes worldwide via Glo's tech. So, why does this kickoff stir souls in October 2025?
Office ọgaranya ya na-efe ka anyị na-ekele ihu anyị ọ bụ egwu ndidi ka okwu magana ji eji ije izu ọgaranya ndị afọ ọ bụ ndidi ka ebi nta ji amụ nwapụ okwu n'ahụ
Onitsha, Africa's market queen, thrives on festivals like Ofala, injecting billions into tourism, from hotel booms to artisan sales. But peel deeper, amid Anambra's election fever, it's a unity beacon. Obi's emergence, mirroring leaders' accountability. His prayers, a metaphor for governance that perseveres. Preparation reminds us, in a world of divides, Ofala stitches. 8th grades parading on October 18th Azul Day, not as spectators but creators. It is economic rocket fuel too. Yam vendors spiking sales 200%. Youth gigs in carnivals curbing idle hands. Yet, the fresh question, will 2025 global push heal old rifts or spotlight them?
Security, because I need to know about security personnel, please. Can you understand the fancy? Because of piano, no the well all because of facility, no the well all
Anambra Dreamer, if Ofala's preps have reignited that ancestral spark, from yam scents to drum calls, don't scroll past. Dive in. Mark October 17. Your presence could be the homage that tips perseverance into triumph. Share your festival memory below. Let's wave this test try wider. With November's votes looming, Ofala whispers, unity isn't given, it's danced into being. Until next, chase the rhythm. This is your Anambra alert, where culture isn't past. It is your bowl now. Like, subscribe, and let's feast. Onyekwe, Chiekwe.